Guys, Sikolo Sibuima. But we gotta see through, my boy. I thought that was someone's leg on the road. Like, let it all work out. But like, it's taking its sweet time to work out. That's the thing. It's taking its sweet time to work out. And we have another one. I see your only maraga bra. And guys, potholes, bruh. I hate potholes. Woo! Right. I love it. You know what? Me busy swerving, like swervo better di quarter. It's a sign that I must put this phone away because I will make a mistake and crash. So, bro, it's not your turn. Don't say sorry. Why are you saying sorry? It's not your turn. What is the name of the black chicken? The gun is very heavy. It's like guys, wanna compare good body. Guys, my class is in 30 minutes. 30 minutes. It's even less than 30 minutes. Oh, Lord, be with me. Lord, be with me. Jesus, take the world literally today. So, today we're going to school as per usual. You know, it's a Wednesday, most hectic day out of the whole week. 6 hours of classes, no break in between, back-to-back lessons, assignment due tomorrow. So you kind of see how I'm rolling today. But in the middle of all of this, I am finding time to squeeze you to spend the day with me. Wow, let's have a round of applause. Right. So now I'm going to go and get scheduled. Right. Guys, Sikolo Sibuima. But we gotta see through, my boy. Hello, guys. Let's come on again to get any very loud and exuberant mood. I'm actually having a headache and my skin is peeling. And honestly, I've come to that point in my life, I thought that was someone's leg on the road. It does look like a leg. It was shaped like a leg. But anyways, now I am going home. But before we go home, because Mikasa Sukasa, we have not the police officer. I'm peta like a phone like this. Guys, Hanka Chora Kema police like a contributor or a you do a lecture jack. Oh, another one. I'm totally like a contributor. Shy. I can't say the Lord. I like to contribute. Sabatun gas, I look at your little school. Miko has zebra crossing again. Hurry up, Miss Cat. You know, black people, Batun Kelapile, they represent them with classic. You're only Maraga bra. And I feel like I am deserving of a treat. Oh, guys, potholes, bruh. I hate potholes. But that's not new. Neki present the only maraga brads. If you like to deserve ice cream, what did I do? The lecturer said I did good, man. So I think I deserve it. A sweet treat. A sweet treat is what I deserve. Okay, maybe slow down. Where is the rush? You are just going home. No one is chasing you, princess. Just wait. I think I deserve a sweet treat. So I'm so happy, but I have a headache. Anyway, bro, it's not your turn. Don't say sorry. Why are you saying sorry? It's not your turn. It's not road rage, but I can't robot bullets. of unzenella, and unzenella you are going the other direction. You are not even in my lane. My skirt. Like drugs, and I'm always so angry on the road. But it's like, have you guys seen what you do on the road? Have you seen what you do on the road when I pee? Sometimes I do be doing the same. So I can't really be too upset. But anywho, I don't think I'm happy with the way Acnitane and all the other like products I'm using on my skin are treating my skin. My skin tends to look dry, like really, really dry. And I get that that's the whole point of like this whole process, to dry out my skin, like to dry out like the sebum pores and all that stuff, so that we reduce the prevalence of acne on my face. But it's like, bro, it's getting bad. I am literally considering going to buy face masks, because I cannot be overly conscious all the time in my classes. Like, I'm always conscious because my skin is peeling. And it's like, I'm trying to tell myself, well, you know what, it's all gonna be worth it in the end. Like, let it all work out. But like, it's taking its sweet time to work out. That's the thing. It's taking its sweet, sweet time to work out. And I don't like it. And when I think about that's how I look, that's not my brand. What is my brand? Exactly not that. So I think I did one the face mask say go chopis. Kitlo direka batho. And kitlo na ki do real. Kitlo na ki do really. I get to yang because I am a lip combo gloss warrior every 2 seconds. But when I go to sleep, my lips must have lip gloss, or else I'm not sleeping. Like, I will wake up at 12 midnight, going to off, my lips are dry. Because the peeling usually happen around Hamilo Munyana. I guess what is it because I yap so much or what? But at night, in the morning, I guess I facing how we pose were you fighting for your life in the desert in your dreams? Because the way you are looking, my sister, you are looking not so good. You are not looking so nice standing right there. Shoot, I get because I'm too busy telling about my skin. But guys, I've been saying for the longest time, because Wednesdays are literally one of the worst days of the week on my calendar. It's that one day where I have 6 hours of class, but woo, right, I love it. You know what, me busy swerving like swervo better di quarter, it's a sign that I must put this phone away, because I will make a mistake and crash.
Call me, fly you out to Greece, full speed, so for the barrier. Call me, leave all of your things, yeah. You stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Call me, fly you out to Greece, full speed, so for the barrier.
Dumela? Emma. Lenale ice cream. Ke kopa a soft 12 with large fries. With the chocolate flake. No, that's all. Dumela? Emma. Nyam. Thank you. Oh. It's getting down. Thank you.
The next day.
Ai. Sama kama dumea kau. Ile joko na lana muno wurundo. Sama di sini.
Hi. How are you?
I'm good.
How about you?
Yes. Say hello. Come on. Yo, I'm so ready. Look at it.
Hi guys. So we've arrived. And my uncle let me hold a gun to shoot the cow. Well, I didn't shoot it, but the gun that is being used to shoot the cow. And I got my nigga here. What's his name? What is the name of the black chicken? The don is very heavy. It's actually quite heavy.
Playing my song, playing my song, playing my song. Her status says she's playing my song. She sends a message with hearts and smiles.
Hello.
I love her pro pic. My girl
What are you
got
doing?
style. She writes from home.
Are you doing exercise?
Her time is cool or from a lecture when she's at school. I got her number, but we still chat, exchanging pictures and sending tracks. But to my surprise, what do I see? Her status says that she's playing me. Yeah, and you will see. Her status says she's playing my song. Check BBM, and you will see. Her status says she's playing my song, playing my song, playing my song. Her status says she's playing my song, playing my song, playing my song. Her status says she's playing my song. I got a message at about 9. It read, "Good morning, baby. Time to rise and shine. I love you, darling. I love you so. And here in my heart, you have a home." One crazy sweet sensation. You're all that I imagine. No question on my mind, girl. You make it happen. You make it happen. You make it happen. One crazy sensation. You make it happen.
So pretty. So beautiful.
Dimthanda kangangolwandle uyandinumisa uyandithanda hleze seduze kwami ulisoja ungumntu
So, my outfit of the day. I'm wearing this hoodie that was gifted to me. You didn't make it, you should have it well made. Thank you to the owner. Peace and love and life to you. Yeah, I'm the owner, guys. It's not you, bruh. I'll be khatelela the construction pen. You should be lit over it. And then I got this mask on because and I'm not trying to inhale mingo and all that. Shoes. I'm just wearing these Jesus sandals with black socks. And then Mutloko is the Kalari, obviously give me sadi. And honestly, if I'm being honestly, did you think that was necessary? Honestly, I know that hair like scent stick to hair, and I'm all over the place. So essentially, I don't want my hairstyle like all those things. That's why I covered my hair, you know. And then I'm like, kill two birds with one stone. You're a lady when I'm cooking, might as well cover that hair. So yeah, that's my outfit of the day. But that I still have music. Then you know about that. Here with family, friends, and family friends. Family, friends, and family friends. We're here with my parents' friends and their children. So we're also our sisters and brothers. Actually, all of them are boys. Brothers by default. Brothers by default. I'm having fun. It's so fun. I like way that ladies. Too much. How we make a mistake? They're like, you should have asked. Okay. Ma?
Dimthanda kangangona ndithi wo yo 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 wo yo 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 wo yo 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 wo yo 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 wo yo 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 wo yo 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 wo yo 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 wo yo
Something that is never changed. More than we vanishes, darling, I do miss you. I love to be more than friends. Now I know I may be dreaming, but I love that you're leaving, and everyone around could see. So let me make this public. It's you that I'm in love with, darling. This will always be so. Can I be a fairy tale? I'm the soul of the world. Be a fairy tale. I'm the soul of the world. Be a fairy tale. I'm the soul of the world. The soul of the world. Be a fairy tale.
I'm so happy. Obana, if this can happen even after 2 weeks for romance, then yeah.